All right, so once you've installed the application, you open it, this is what it will look like on the Mac version. And so you have several options here. You can decide to create a new return, open existing return, roll forward previous year's return. So if you are new to the software, then you can choose to create new return. And the identification section will show up here. And you can, it'll be a very similar process to the Windows version. You just put in your SIN number, your name, your marital status, etc. And then if you have a spouse, then there'll also be another section for the spouse to fill in if it is a linked return. And then there's also the taxpayer status over here as well to fill in. All right, so as you can see, I have filled out the details. So I just named this person John Joe. He is single. He lives on this address, and I just made it a single person with a simple return. And here's a couple of key things I would like to highlight. Here in the form manager, it is similar to the Windows version where you can search up several types of forms. So I'll just, for example, the T4, you can search up the T4, and then this form right here will pop up, and you can fill in the employment income and all of that good stuff with regards to the T4. Then you can put in your other income information here. You can tell that below here, there's a bunch of X marks here. So this is equivalent to the diagnostics window in the Windows version, except on the Mac version, it is just showing below here. So the red ones are important to hash out before you can actually NetFile your return.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to check out our other videos on our TaxTron channel. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to receive more videos. See you next time.